Have you ever wondered when humans had their very first alcoholic drink? The answer goes back thousands of years, and it likely began by accident. Long before farms, villages, and cities existed, early humans spent their days gathering food from the natural world. They picked fruit, searched for roots, and followed the seasons to survive. One day, some ripe fruit may have fallen from a tree and been left on the ground for several days. Tiny natural yeast floating in the air began feeding on the sugar inside the fruit. This process, called fermentation, slowly changed the sweet juice into alcohol without anyone planning it. What started as forgotten fruit became something completely new. A curious human probably found the fruit and decided to taste it. The flavor would have been different from fresh fruit, maybe a little strange, but it was not harmful. In fact, it may have felt exciting, surprising, and worth trying again. Soon, others likely noticed the same thing. Whenever fruit was left sitting long enough, it changed in the same way. Nature had created the world's first alcoholic drink, and humans had discovered it by chance. This was a major step in human history, because it turned a lucky discovery into a repeatable process. Different groups experimented with different ingredients. Every region developed its own traditions, depending on what grew nearby and what people knew how to store. Around 9,000 years ago, people in ancient China were already making fermented drinks from rice, honey, and fruit. This is some of the oldest evidence of alcohol ever discovered, showing that humans had been experimenting with fermentation for a very long time. Now you know the fascinating story behind humanity's first alcoholic drink. History is full of amazing discoveries hiding in the simplest moments.